Hello there.
These aren't deer. Something else was here.
I smell humans.
The water woke up. That only happens when something big is coming. Lumo, you know him?
You two shouldn't be here. The Whispering Waterfall is dangerous this year.
The ancient guardian is awakening.
Why? What's happening?
You're Rivva, the Sky Guardian. The waterfall is losing its heart. The mountain's magic is fading.
The Heartstone, it's cracked.
So, we fix it?
The forest lies again. You've saved the forest. No. It saved me too.
Remember this, the forest chose you. Whatever happens next, you're its guardian.
I won't let it down.